Welcome back to our channel Motivision. I and Inspiration Samir Nagor. OpenAI has just introduced its latest image generator, Dall-E 3, into ChatGPT. This innovative tool is currently in beta, and available to subscribers of ChatGPT+, which is OpenAI's $20 a month service. With Dall-E 3 activated, users can casually prompt the chatbot to create a set of 4 distinct images. As technology advances and more powerful image generators become available, legal and ethical concerns have begun to take center stage. OpenAI has faced legal challenges from artists who fear potential copyright infringement, and security experts have voiced their apprehension about the misuse of AI image generators in spreading disinformation. For those interested in trying out Dall-E 3 for free, a version is accessible through Microsoft's Bing Image Creator. During the initial days of this integration, users created extreme and controversial imagery using Bing, leading to concerns. Subsequently, Microsoft has implemented stricter controls and safeguards around the AI image generator. If you're curious about using ChatGPT with Dall-E 3 to create images, here's how to get started and some advice based on my experience testing the new chatbot tools. How to access Dall-E 3 in ChatGPT. For ChatGPT Plus subscribers, enabling the chatbot's Dall-E 3 features is relatively straightforward. Follow these steps. 1. Log in to OpenAI's website or the ChatGPT mobile app, available for Apple and Android devices. 2. After opening ChatGPT, click on the GPT-4 tab located at the top of the screen. 3. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Dall-E 3 Beta. It's important to note that there is a usage cap on how often you can interact with the GPT-4 version of ChatGPT. The official limit is set at 50 prompts every 3 hours. If you reach this limit, the chatbot will display an error message with the waiting time before regaining access. Additionally, be prepared to wait approximately 30 seconds for the generated images to arrive. If any of the images violate OpenAI's guidelines, you may receive compliant images or even a message denying the request. Advice for experimenting with Dall-E 3. Compared to previous AI image generators like Dall-E 2 or Midjourney, one significant difference with Dall-E 3 is that you can now observe how ChatGPT acts as an intermediary, crafting multiple prompts for Dall-E 3 to complete. These prompts can vary from long sentences to complete paragraphs, each containing different details for Dall-E 3 to consider. For instance, if you request an image of 2 wired reporters interviewing a CEO, a prompt from ChatGPT might look like this. Photo of a diverse group of 3 people in a corporate setting. A Middle Eastern female wired reporter holding a camera, an African female wired reporter with a microphone, and a Caucasian male CEO responding to their questions. The backdrop is a sleek office lounge area. If you're not satisfied with the initial results, you can ask for adjustments, such as altering the color scheme or the overall atmosphere of the images. For example, if you particularly like the third image generated by Dall-E 3, you can request more images with a similar style. However, when it comes to protecting the rights of artists, there hasn't been a significant change in this new update. While the chatbot won't create images that directly mimic a contemporary artist, there are still ways to work around these limitations. For instance, when asked to design a coffee mug in the style of Keith Haring, ChatGPT might refuse the initial prompt but offer a compromise like, "I can create a design inspired by the general characteristics of his art, such as bold lines, vibrant colors, and simplistic figures. Would you like me to proceed with that?" In such cases, the end results may be subpar and not capture the essence of the artist's style accurately. Despite improvements in image quality, there are persistent issues with image generators. You can expect to encounter odd distortions and eerie faces in the images created by Dall-E 3. Some of these issues can be comical, like a chatbot struggling to identify baking ingredients. However, more serious problems may arise, such as mislabeling geographical locations, as was the case when creating a map outlining Israel and the Gaza Strip. Another concerning aspect is the potential reinforcement of racial and gender stereotypes. Dall-E 3, like its predecessors, can default to these stereotypes when depicting humans, highlighting the need for continuous improvements in AI systems to ensure fair and unbiased results. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel.